Hey everyone, thanks for joining us at Critical IT Solutions. This is going to be the first in a series of videos where we show you some keyboard shortcuts to make navigating your desktop a little easier. On this first video, we're just going to start with some very basic Windows key shortcuts. So let's get into it. The very first one's going to be the Windows key. It brings up your start menu. Super simple. You can press it again to close it. Easy as that. Second one we're going to go over is going to be your Windows key plus S. This one is going to take you to your start menu, but straight into the search bar of your start menu, as you can see. So if we go to our start menu, click up here to search for something, it'll take us to this. But Windows key S from the desktop will take us straight into that, so that way we can go ahead and search for whatever application we want to open. Alright, next we're going to have opening up the File Explorer is going to be Windows key plus E. And that's going to open up a File Explorer window. Now this one you cannot close by repressing it. If you repress it, it will open another window of the File Explorer. So if you want to close this one with a shortcut, you can go Control W. That'll close, and this is the active window. Alright, and then from there we can go, the next one is going to be Windows key plus A, and that's going to open up your Action Center, which is where your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, sound settings all are. And just like the start menu, we can Windows plus A again to close that one. Next we're going to go Windows key plus I. That's going to open up your settings for you. Not much there, pretty simple. And then your Windows key plus K will open up your casting settings if you want to cast to another display. Alright. And then with casting, might as well do Windows key plus P. This is your projection settings, so not casting, but this is your extended display settings. So if you have multiple monitors, this is where you'd come. You can change whether they're mirroring each other, whether they extend. You can turn certain ones off. Then you got Windows W is gonna, I believe it's called the Windows Workspace, but it's the just the news Windows news and weather area, quick information. Alright, and then after that we got the if you want to open up the Emoji Panel or the Clipboard bin, let's go with the Emoji Panel first. It's gonna be Windows key plus period. It's gonna open up your Emoji Panel, which also has your clipboard down here. So to open up the clipboard, we're gonna go Windows key plus V. And that takes you straight into your clipboard, and your clipboard is where you can save multiple clippings. But if you're copying and pasting and you want to copy multiple things from a document to paste over, your clipboard is going to save many of the recent things that you've copied, not just the most recent. So you can come in here and gather all of the things that you've recently copied at once, so you don't have to switch back and forth between two windows, copy paste back. Okay, and then finally we just have some more unique ones. You're not going to use these too often, but your Windows key R is going to open your command, let you run a command, and then your Windows key H is going to be to open up your dictation features, Microsoft Speech Services. Okay, and then finally the quick assist is Windows key, Control, and Q, and this is if you're needing tech support usually with your computer and you need someone else to remote in. This is Windows built-in RDP software. So like I said, probably won't be using that one too often. And then finally we can do accessibility settings. This is going to be the last one we're going to do. It's going to be Windows key plus U. And this is just a subpage of the system settings, which we can get to with Windows plus I, but Windows key plus U will take us straight into our accessibility settings, which are some of the more common settings that some people are going to have to set up. Alright, so thanks for joining us here at Critical IT Solutions. We're going to have more videos coming out with more keyboard shortcuts for more specific apps like File Explorer specific shortcuts or Microsoft Edge specific shortcuts. So please stick around, like the video, subscribe if you want some more shortcuts, and we'll have those out for you soon.